Hey guys, today we're going to be working on the Ninja 400. We're going to do an oil change and I'll show you how to do that. To get started, usually you would run it warm so you get the oil circulating. We already did that. So we have to take this black piece apart. It has 4 bolts here and here, and then a 5 bolt right under here. Right now I'm going to take these bolts off. These 2 bolts are going to be taken off. There's also a pin up front that needs to be pushed out. So for now, we'll take these bolts off like that. Just pushes out. I push it from here, like when you put your thumb in. This just loosens this up so this whole panel can come out. So then we can just take these screws out. That's the other one. And then there's one hidden down here, and that is a 5. This one's also pretty tough to get out because it's torqued pretty high. So that's that. This also has a special unique washer, so don't lose that. And then this panel just comes off. Right here you can see our bolt. This is our oil pan bolt, and then right here, this black piece right here is our oil filter. So we just gotta prop it up really quick. So now we just gotta prop this up and get those bolts off. So we're gonna use this. This is a bike stand. And we're just gonna go back here. We're gonna line it up with these parts. Like that. Just like that. So make sure it's on both sides. Everything's good. Looks stable. So now we can come here and get this bolt and that. The hardest part is this. This is a real pain to get off. That's why we have one of these. So for now, like this. I'm using a power drill, but you can use one of these. So with this, make sure it's done the right way. So these come with a washer. You need to replace those. So we'll be replacing that. Alright, so I'm just gonna clean up my mess here, get the oil off, clean off the bolt, make sure it's somewhat clean. And now the real pain is to get this off. So I'm just gonna move this slightly. Okay, so we're gonna clamp it down. So for now, we're gonna switch the washer up. I'll start screwing it back on. Make sure it's tight. And then with this, we're gonna take a little bit, put it around the gasket, and then we're gonna fill it up. Just fill it up like that, and then we're gonna install it right here. You can see it right here, the little screw. right there. And we're just gonna slowly. And this one, you don't tighten with anything, you just hand tighten it until you can't anymore. And there you go, that's installed. Clean it up. Clean up all the spots because later on we gotta check for leaks. And so that's done. So we're gonna go to the other side and start filling it up. No, that's fine. And just start filling. Put your cap back on. Okay, so you got your panel. And there's these little grooves here. So there's spots in here that you just come in from the side. Push it in. There you go. So you don't actually have to take this off in order to get to your bolts and your oil filter. It's just easier to do that, but also we wanted to show you in the video. So that's it. We're gonna roll it out and then start it up. So for now, thank you for watching. Leave a comment, leave a like, put that notification bell on, and if you like what you're seeing, please subscribe. Thank you.